A couple interesting things here I don't need to show you. I want to show you. This log branch is snapped. I'd say it's 7, 8 feet in the air. That's what I tried to zoom in on a minute ago, and it was just too much. But it's snapped. Maybe, nah, it ain't twisted, but it's snapped. And that's, I don't know, like I said, 7, 8 feet in the air. Above my head, not by much though. But, if you can look out there, and look right here in front of me, we are literally on the edge of a controlled burn. We got birds. I got one just right on the other side of this palm bush in front of me. Oh, wow, what is that? We're walking over there right now. I ain't even gonna turn the camera off. Just so you know, I walked up on it. Oh, look at that tree. Next to that big tree is a little tree. Yeah, right there, you can see it. That's pretty cool. All twisted and bent. I don't know if you can see that. Here comes a couple more. Anyhow, where was I walking to? Over here. Sorry, I got distracted by the birds. Oh, wow. There's one sitting right up there on a branch. He's sitting on that branch in the middle of the screen. I know, no big deal. I see birds all the time, but it's still cool. Where am I going? This is just... Wow. And the snap tree goes up into the bush. It's not on the ground. And I'm not sure it's even attached. Yep, it's attached. And then you got this tree going this way across the ground. What did I see? I think it's just the top of that tree. Look different from far. Yeah, it's just the top of that tree. Oh, we got a bird right there. He is just sitting perfectly still. See where that branch of that dead tree wraps around? There's a bird. Let's see if I go this way a little bit. You can see him. There he is. And that's... that looks so far away in the lens. I don't know, 40 feet maybe from me. Just sitting there. Totally ignoring me, but he's just sitting there. There he went. I guided over there, so we'll walk that way. I'm gonna turn this off for now. Just making my way, I don't know, around. I'm probably gonna go back to the car and drop the coffee cup off. It's getting heavy. That or I need to drink it. Still piping hot. Poured it maybe an hour ago. Good little cup for 50 cents at the resale shop. Habit for Humanity. I got my tripods with me today. I'm carrying a lot. There's a bird right up there. You'll never see him. I think that was a woodpecker. I don't know. The way he's hanging on the tree, I'd say it's a woodpecker. A different one than the one I told you didn't see. He just landed on the tree and stood right on the side of it like a woodpecker. That's so cool. Anyhow, I'm going to turn you off for a while. Just going to walk around, look, take some pictures.